I see some people who've been checking their answers. Make sure you show all your work, folks. If you did anything, if you did it in your head, show me what you would have done in your head. Yeah, and be really specific in these explanations. So if I was to look at it, I would know exactly what to do, what steps to take to find those missing pieces. If you're not sure, just give your best guess. Great. Wrap up in 5, 4, 3, 2, wrap up your sentence. 1, 0. Okay. As we go over these problems and for the future, if you didn't get something correct or you didn't get there, I want you to correct your own papers in a different material than pencil. So if you want to use a pen or a highlighter, you can write in the correct answer so that when you go back to study for tests, you can try those problems that you didn't get to or you were confused about again on your own, but you'll have the correct answer to refer back to. Does that make sense? Okay, great. So let's just whip around and quickly go through 1 through 4 because I saw most of you actually already getting it. So, Alejandro, start us off. Number 1.
Everything of 40 and 20.
Great. Number 2, Camila. Great. Number 3. What kind of problem was this? Michelle? That's Michelle. Oh my gosh. Valeria. Sorry. It's a subtraction. Ooh, but it says how many more? Doesn't that usually mean addition? How did you know it was subtraction? So I could do addition, you're saying? How could I do addition and still get the same answer? Oh, and then you have to find that missing piece. Oh, I really like that strategy. Great. So you could do, she says, 288 plus something is 304. And then you have to go back and actually do the subtraction. Is 16 the answer? It is. Is that the complete answer? What do you think? Vanessa?
You have to write a complete sentence and write how many students were there.
How? So 16 represents 16 students what?
Were more in the 6th grade than 7th.
So, just quick clarification from here on out. In 5th grade, you were writing complete sentences to write your answers. That's great. In 6th grade, because we're working on efficiency and amount and time, spending your time really wisely, I need all eyes tracking me. You can write the answer and the label completely, and you don't have to write a complete sentence, and I'll still mark it correct. You need to have, in this case, 16. 16 students wouldn't be enough information. That wouldn't be the best label. That would be the correct label. It would be correct, but it wouldn't be complete. So I want you to make sure that you say 16 more students in 6th and 7th, and that's it. It doesn't have to be a complete sentence. You're good to go. I would check my answer, make sure I did that, and then move on. Yes, questions?
If we just put 16 students, can we write it? If we just do that, do we have to write a sentence?
That's what I'm saying. You don't need to write a sentence in 6th grade anymore. Unless I tell you otherwise, write a complete sentence here. You do not have to write a complete sentence. You just have to have a very specific and complete label. Okay? Number 4. What did you get for number 4? Lewis, what did you get for number 4? Did you get there?
Yeah.
What did you get?
I got 45 something.
Great. And here we go, number 5. Anyone have an idea about how they would find number 5? What do you think, John? Tracking John.
I picked 28 because
You picked, say one more time? the directions.
Just to do the whole explanation.
So unfortunately that's a demerit, but I need you to follow directions that I give you. There's a reason I said only explain rather than solve completely. Okay? Someone explain for me. Michelle. Mm-hmm.
So that's a part of that 12. So you have to add something to 4 meters to get 12.
Ah, how did you know you had to add something to 4 meters to get 12? Where are you, which one are you finding? Which one are you describing? Are you finding K or M? So to find K, you would do what? Okay, yep, so this whole thing here has to be 12. So this plus this needs to be 12. Great. So you could say, we wouldn't solve it, but we would say 12 minus 4. Take this missing side away from this total, and it would get this difference, because together they would need to be 12 in total. Anyone use a different strategy? Oh, so that was confusing. Okay. So K is actually just like the missing information. It wasn't telling you it was kilometers. That's okay. It's still meters. It's just saying, find this letter, find this missing piece. We could have it be Z or T or R or J or, you know, a star. It could be anything. Anyone use a strategy where they broke this into 2 pieces? Mario?
I broke it from the side of where it's larger, so like, and the side that was smaller.
Like this?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then I saw since one side was 1 centimeter, maybe the other side was the same.
And then what about down here? What would this measurement be?
4.
Great. We're going to talk more about this. It's okay if you didn't get it right away. We're going to work on these problems today. What is our objective? Liza, can you read our AM objective?
Objective. Solve compound parameter problem involving triangle and
Quadrilaterals. I know, it's really squished. So we're going to take our adding and subtracting knowledge and our ITAC knowledge, and we're going to figure out how to solve compound perimeter problems. So yesterday it was just one shape, one rectangle, one triangle, whatever. Today it's going to be 2 shapes potentially put together, or it's just going to be a triangle, and we're going to have to figure out the perimeter there. We're going to start though by doing a mind map minute really quick, so don't turn it over yet. But what time is it? Oh, that's better than yesterday. Good. On your mark. Get set. Remember, don't turn it over yet? Nice. No, most no one did. You're only going to write your name on the back side. If it's blank, or your name's already there, so all you're going to do is turn this over. On your mark. Get set. Go. soon as it goes up. Home. So to your partner, we're going to go over there really fast. Remember, what are you marking, Ashley? Correct. Use it with something other than pencil. Here we go. 12, 36, 24, 42, 60, 18, 12, 0, 36, 48, 24, 42, 72, 54, sorry, 48, 30, 18, 24, 66, 72, 6, 42, 48, 42, 54. Take 10 seconds, put the total correct out of how many, Sergio? How many are there on that page? So, it's a fraction, the denominator is 25, the number correct is the numerator. 5, 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hand it back. Great. So, I'm just giving you a warning. I'm going to be taking one of these and grading them in the next, maybe this afternoon or maybe tomorrow. So be ready for it. Raise your hand if you did better than yesterday on this. That's okay, easy. Cool. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to practice ITAC. But these problems are going to be just like our perimeters, compound. Something is going to be different and new about these ITAC problems so that we can be ready to solve more complicated perimeter problems this afternoon. This morning. Great. So, someone read that first problem for me. Thank you, sir. First problem. We're using ITAC. Follow the directions. Follow the steps of ITAC. Go ahead, Elizabeth.
Follow the steps of ITAC to complete the problems below. Carly's family is going on a 3-day hiking trip. They plan to hike 12 miles and for the first day, and 19 miles the second day. If they plan to hike a total of 46 miles, how far must they hike on the third day?
Think about it for a sec. What are we trying to find? What's the missing piece of information? Davian.
We're trying to find how far they hiked on the third day.
So how would I set this up? What information am I going to, that's important, that I'm going to use? Ashley?
Maybe they use a circle